Hi, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an insightful report on the growing printer rental industry to explore its current market growth, future potential, and how you can benefit if you're planning or even thinking of starting a business. So stick around until the end as we break down and uncover the opportunities this booming market holds. Did you know that businesses around the world are expected to spend a massive $48 billion on office printers in the coming years? But here's the exciting part. Many businesses are switching from buying printers to renting them, and this change is creating a huge opportunity for entrepreneurs and startups. That $48 billion represents what businesses spend on both buying and renting printers. Printer rentals are growing because they allow companies to save money while getting the latest printer models and technology, without the heavy upfront costs. Now let's look at where the printer rental market is growing the fastest. In the Asia-Pacific region, the market is expected to grow by an impressive 7% every year. This region is leading the way because many small and medium businesses are choosing printer rentals to keep costs low and stay flexible. Meanwhile, in North America and Europe, the growth is steady, with North America growing at 3.2% and Europe at 3.5% each year. Printer rentals are especially popular in industries like printing and publishing, advertising, signage, vehicle wrapping, and event services, where businesses rely on high-volume specialized printers but prefer to avoid the significant upfront costs of purchasing these machines. And let's not forget about South America and the Middle East. In these regions, the printer rental market is growing fast, with a projected annual growth of 4.5% in South America and 5% in the Middle East. As more companies look for ways to save money and stay flexible, renting printers is becoming the smart choice for businesses here. This global shift from buying to renting is making the printer rental market bigger and more exciting every year, as companies everywhere realize the benefits of renting instead of owning. So why are more and more businesses choosing printer rentals? First, it helps them cut down on upfront costs and avoid the hassle of repairs or upgrades. Second, printer rentals provide flexibility, perfect for remote and hybrid work environments. Here's another reason why printer rentals are becoming so popular. It's better for the environment. Renting energy-efficient printers helps businesses cut down on waste and lower their carbon footprint. These printers use less energy and often come with recycled materials, so companies can save money while going green. Have you ever considered starting your own business? The opportunity is right in front of you. The printer rental market could be a smart move. Here's why. Low cost to start. You don't need a huge investment. You can even lease equipment from big players in the market and sublease it to smaller businesses, creating a win-win for everyone. Latest technology. You'll always have access to the newest printers, which means you can offer high-quality equipment to your customers. Growing demand. With more companies choosing to rent instead of buy, the demand for printer rentals is only getting bigger, which means more opportunity for you. I believe by now, you've gained a clear understanding of the printer rental industry's growth and potential. And you might be asking yourself, where do I start? Let me introduce you to the perfect starting point, printer.rentals, a powerful domain name that unlocks limitless possibilities for success in the rapidly growing printer rental industry. Whether you're looking to build a lead generation platform or start your own subleasing business, this domain name offers the perfect foundation to stand out in a growing industry. You might be wondering, why? Here's why. The domain printer, rentals clearly conveys exactly what your business does and the services you offer, making it easy for your target audience to find you online and trust you, because it provides exactly what they're searching for. With printer.rentals, you can create a lead generation platform that connects businesses with customers actively looking for rental solutions. Imagine generating leads for existing printer rental companies, earning a commission or fee for each successful connection. This model is scalable and offers consistent income while helping established companies grow their customer base. or take advantage of the subleasing model, where you lease high-end printers from major industry players and sublease them to smaller businesses. This gives startups and entrepreneurs the flexibility to rent equipment without the high upfront costs and allows you to profit from the difference in rental rates. With printer.rentals, you're not just owning a domain, you're claiming a powerful, niche-specific name that stands out far beyond regular branded domains in the printer rental industry. Whether you're aiming to generate qualified leads for established companies or build your own printer rental network, Printer.rentals sets you apart as a leader in the industry, offering a unique advantage over traditional domains. It's clear, memorable, and perfectly tailored to a niche audience. The printer rental market is booming, and now is the time to take action. Whether you want to build a lead generation platform, offer subleasing solutions, or simply provide flexible printing services, the opportunity is here. With printer.rentals domain name, you have the perfect platform to start your journey and make your mark in this growing industry. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more insights on growing your business. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Start your rental business journey with printer.rentals today, and stay tuned for more tips and strategies to help you succeed.